In today's video, I want to talk to you as a fellow solopreneur. I'm the only one running my business. Now, in the past, I've had contract workers when I need my branding done or something on my website, but primarily I run my business all on my own. And if you're in a similar boat, or maybe you consider yourself like a micro entrepreneur, maybe you only have a VA or you use people in contract roles as you need them, I wanted to share with you where I think some of us are missing the mark when it comes to goal setting for our business. What do you think of when you think of setting goals for your business? Do you think SMART goals, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time bound? Do you think financial goals, 5,000 a month, 6 figures a year? Do you think word of the year? Do you think aspirational goals? Do you think impactful goals? I want to work with 100 women on X, Y, and Z. The thing is, all of those are goals plus so much more. You can set your goal any way you want. All are correct and useful ways to set goals for your business, even if we've been told otherwise. There is no right way to set goals for your business or yourself. Your approach to goal setting should be what you feel inspired and motivated by. End of story. So if you've gotten wrapped up in the past about I have to set goals in a certain way, I really want you to let that story go and think about how different your business would be if you started setting goals that matter most to you. As solopreneurs or micro entrepreneurs, we aren't running businesses with hundreds of people or even 10 employees. Our primary resource is ourselves, our energy, our vision, our time. So who cares what the experts say when it comes to you setting goals for your business? What if your goals were measured about how happy you are to sit down at your desk every day, or how your business allows you to have more time with your family? Or this year, maybe you're focused on that higher income goal because it allows you to buy fancy pajamas, whatever it is. Or you need that drive and structure of metrics, numbers, and deadlines to help you see exactly what you're working towards. Or it's your own unique blend of hard numbers and good feelings. I just want you to think outside of the box when it comes to setting goals for your business. You don't need to follow any set formula. It's all about setting things that matter to you. Or a goal can just be to maintain as well. No digging deeper, no building higher. It's a goal to maintain your business where it's at its current level because you have other things going on in your life. So I call that a maintenance goal. So when you think of goal setting, it doesn't always have to be bigger and higher and better. It can be, you know what, I just need to maintain where I'm at in my business because I need to give time and energy to other areas. Or it could even be, you know what, I need to scale back in my business a little bit and I need to figure out ways to have my business take less from me. Goal setting should be anything that keeps you motivated and inspired. It helps you make decisions in your day-to-day of your business, and it keeps your vision and dreams in sight and on track. Goals should absolutely take into consideration things that are going on in your life outside of your business and also your personal life goals. Again, your main resource in your business is you, so your business goals should fit all of you. And guess what? Goals can and should be adjusted as things throughout the year in your business and life change. Goals are not prisons. They are aspirations. They should motivate you and not stress you out. Okay, so you might be saying, why should I even set goals then, right? Goals give you a direction to help you keep your business running and growing in a way that best supports what you actually want out of your business. I encourage business owners to set a North Star goal each year for their business. It can be anything, including a word, an income goal, or anything else that you want to be that primary focus for your year to come. For me, this past year, I chose a theme and it worked fabulously. A North Star goal gives you a destination which you drive your business towards and helps you make decisions for how you spend your resources and what strategies you pursue in your business throughout the year to come. It gives you a place to check back in with yourself and how you are running your business as you move throughout the year. Setting goals is not another box we should try to fit ourselves into when it comes to running our business, which is exactly why I created Guide Your Growth. This course gives you a structure to set goals for your business in your own way. It's made to be customizable to best fit you, but it gives you structure and questions to help you dig deep into how you are running your business and to help you realign your business each year. Guide Your Growth, of course, goes beyond just goal setting. I guide you through evaluating your business operations category by category, examining your strategies, making plans for changes required in the coming year to realign yourself and to reach those goals, and encourage you to choose metrics that keep you and your business on track. You can learn more about Guide Your Growth below. My hope is that you walk away from this video thinking a little differently about goals and knowing that you can do it any way that best fits you and motivates you in the year ahead.